Hey everybody! My sweet potatoes have been growing all summer and they're pretty pathetic. I'll show you in a minute, but I think we're going to go ahead and dig them out. Let's see how they did. Oh, you get to see the rooster chase on video. Alright, so the sweet potatoes grew back here in the back garden. Usually I have a sweet potato forest of sorts this time of year. The vines just overtake everything and spread out for feet and feet. As you can see, that's not the case this year. They never really grew. They had trouble getting going, and then just this is all I got. I would tend to say it had to be the soil, and it must have been the growing conditions this year. I've grown stuff back here before, I don't know. But anyways, I don't have very high hopes for them. And things have been in here eating them, as I always have a problem with. So I got some out yesterday, pulled a few out, and they weren't terrible, but they certainly weren't the big ones in the amount that I usually have. So I thought we'd go ahead, get these things out and see how they did. Looks like I'm going to have help. As usual, I have the ones that have been eaten. Here's one. It was a decent one, but the top is gone. So out of those, they were all pretty much eaten. Eaten. And there's the last one. They look a lot more like carrots than sweet potatoes. Well, there we have it. I think I put in 8 plants, and there is about, 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 that actually survived. And that's what I got, along with a few other small eaten ones, which is quite a switch from what I had last year, if you remember, and the years before that. So this is definitely the worst sweet potato harvest ever, but it happens, doesn't it? Good thing that they do sell them in the store. That'll bail me out this year. Well, there it was. Wasn't a very good year for them. The only thing that is left to harvest are the carrots, and I'll be getting to those probably in a week or so. We'll see how they did, but sweet potatoes, kind of a So hopefully next year is better. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you the next time. It's a pretty fat cat.